Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to use a manual milk pump and share a simple step-by-step guide for mothers who are using one for the first time. A manual pump is lightweight, portable, and easy to carry, making it a popular choice for many mothers at home or while traveling. Before you begin, wash your hands thoroughly and make sure all pump parts are clean, dry, and assembled correctly. A clean setup is the first step toward a safe pumping routine. Next, find a comfortable place where you can sit and relax. Many mothers find that a quiet environment helps make pumping more comfortable. Play the pump according to the manufacturer's instructions and make sure it feels comfortable before you begin. Taking a moment to adjust the position can help improve your overall experience. Now start squeezing the handle slowly and gently. There is no need to pump quickly. A smooth and steady rhythm is usually more comfortable and easier to maintain. If milk does not begin flowing immediately, don't worry. It is completely normal for your body to take a few minutes to respond, especially during your first few sessions. Continue pumping at a comfortable pace and avoid squeezing the handle too hard. Gentle, consistent movements often work better than fast or forceful pumping. Once your session is complete, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if needed. Finally, wash all pump parts thoroughly and allow them to air dry before storing them for your next session. Remember, every mother's journey is different. With a little practice, patience, and consistency, using a manual milk pump can become a simple and comfortable part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.